Carrot with pineapple, lose weight and cure these diseases. The combination of these fruits, pineapple and carrots, results in a refreshing, revitalizing drink and therefore the cure and prevention of many diseases. All this for its content in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. The carrot stands out from the rest of the ingredients because of its fiber content, as does the pineapple. Note the carrots for their content of vitamin, a nutrient defenses system, and pineapple is a fruit rich in vitamin C. All this makes this juice very good to strengthen the defenses and deal better with infections and diseases. Importance of the carrot with lemon. Note that the carbohydrate content of this preparation is somewhat higher than that of a regular dessert in the form of fresh fruit. This must be taken into account to avoid increases in blood glucose levels in the body. This recipe becomes a different, quick and easy way to take fruit. In this case pineapple is included. Although it is a fruit more typical of cold times, there is the possibility of finding it in the market practically all year round, especially in Mexico and the Caribbean. Simply delicious. This juice is a great way to start the day, because with it, we can purify our body, while benefiting from great nutrients and incredible vitamins, a wonderful dose of fiber, vitamin C and antioxidants. Try to combine fresh products free of refined flours, preservatives, sugars and fats. Remember that the carrot is one of the vegetables richest in properties and benefits for your health. Properties and benefits of carrot juice with pineapple fasting. 1. This carrot juice with pineapple is full of nutrients and they provide us with many benefits. Together they help our organism too much. 2. The carrot juice with pineapple is good for reducing the bad cholesterol in the blood. 3. It serves to prevent cancer. 4. Carrot juice with pineapple strengthens the view. 5. It gives us a lot of fiber that fights and prevents constipation. 6. Eliminates all accumulated poop and prevents colon cancer. 7. Prevents heart disease. 8. Combat exhaustion, stress, weakness and fatigue. Their properties provide us with nutrients to have strength. 9. It is depurative and very refreshing. 10. It is good to fight uric acid. 11. The carrot juice with pineapple serves to lose weight. 12. Increases sexual potency. 13. Treat type 2 diabetes. Ingredients for pineapple and carrot remedy: 1 carrot washed without peeling, the juice of half a lemon. 20 grams of chopped pineapple preparation. In a blender add the chopped and washed ingredients and mix until totally evacuated. You should take it fresh on an empty stomach and after each meal. If you liked this article, share it with your friends and family. Do not forget to leave your opinion in comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you like such informative video about healthy and nature remedies, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification button to be notified of the new videos from us.